Once we were sitting in the mosque with the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ when a man arrived riding a camel and tied it inside the mosque. He inquired, "Which among you is Muhammad ﷺ?" The Prophet ﷺ was sitting with his companions, learning on a caution. He replied, "That white-bearded man with a caution is Muhammad ﷺ." The man then addressed the Prophet ﷺ, saying, "I have some questions to ask you, and I will ask them firmly." The Prophet ﷺ replied, "Ask whatever you wish." The man asked, "I swear by the Lord of you and the others, has Allah sent you as a messenger to all the people?" The Prophet ﷺ answered, "Yes, by the Lord of you and the others." The man continued, "I swear by the Lord of you and the others, has Allah ordered you to pray 5 times a day and night?" The Prophet ﷺ replied, "Yes, by the Lord of you and the others." Then the man inquired, "I swear by the Lord of you and the others, has Allah commanded you to fast during the month of Ramadan every year?" The Prophet ﷺ answered, "Yes, by the Lord of you and the others." The man further asked, "I swear by the Lord of you and others, has Allah ordered you to collect zakat from the wealthy among us and distribute it among our poor?" The Prophet ﷺ responded, "Yes, by the Lord of you and others." Upon hearing this, the man declared, "I bear witness that what you have brought is the truth, and I have come to embrace faith. I have also brought a group of my people who couldn't come here themselves." He identified himself as Zamam bin Talaba from the Banu Sa'd bin Bakr tribe. This narration, reported by Musa and Ali bin Abdul Hamid from Salim, is affirmed and traced back to Anas, who narrated it directly from the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 63.